Hello, my name's Miss Christy. Today we're going to be making delicious chocolate chip cookies. So everybody grab a spatula and a mixing bowl and a hand mixer and let's get started. I already have in my stand mixer a cup of butter. I'm adding my granulated sugar, well packed brown sugar, and let's get this incorporated just for about a minute or so. And we're also going to be adding a teaspoon of vanilla, two eggs. I always make sure I crack my eggs in an extra cup or bowl. Just make sure you don't get any eggshells in your mixture. And you have this on medium low to low. Alright, that looks good. Now we're going to be incorporating our dry ingredients, which is all-purpose flour, salt, and baking soda. And please see the link to the descriptions of all the ingredients. This recipe is quick and easy for anybody that needs something sweet on pan for take to church or for visitors or just for something you want to snack on. Alright guys, let's get to cooking. Turn up my mixer a little bit more. We're almost there. Alright guys, now we're going to be adding your chocolate chip morsels. I'm using semi-sweet morsels, but use whatever you have on hand and save a little. I like saving just a little so I can put some on the top. And also too, you can add a cup of chopped nuts. That's optional. I'm not going to do it today, but if you do, just remember to add a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of your all-purpose flour into your nuts, and this will help the nuts to stick to your batter more. Alright guys, so it looks like our batter is ready. So I have a baking sheet, as you can see, with lined or parchment paper. If you don't have the parchment paper, don't worry about it. Just grab you a baking sheet, but make sure you don't spray it. You don't want a greased pan. You want it ungreased because your butter has enough grease. Grab you a good old spoon and just start scooping. And you want to spread these out because they will spread because of the baking soda. Alright guys, I am going to go ahead and keep putting these on the lined paper, and then I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for 15 to 30 minutes. Alright guys, the cookies have been in the refrigerator for about 15 to 30 minutes, but I left mine in there about 17-20 minutes. And we're going to pop them in the oven for 9 to 11 minutes. I'm going to set the timer, and we're just going to keep an eye on it. Alright guys, our kitchen smells wonderful. I wish I could smell this. The cookies look amazing. And it's okay guys if your cookies come out a a different shape if they're not perfect. I mean, we're making these homemade for the ones we love. But look guys, how fluffy they are. And they will cool off on this coolant rack. It won't take long. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. All the ingredients are in the description below, so just check us out. Thank you for tuning in, and God bless.